everyone, and welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. Yes, that's right, Pastor Kim's Corner, aka Agape Love. Okay, let's talk about the channel change for a minute. Okay, first of all, let's just talk about this for a minute, guys. It's really not that serious. I am exploring YouTube and how to get the best out of YouTube in terms of how to get the most success out of YouTube. I've been on YouTube for a little over a year. I got monetized in November. I started my channel in July of 2019, got monetized in November of 2020. And so now we're in 2021, and I want to see where I am by November of 2021, okay? Because that will be 2 years. Well, July will be 2 years, but I'm counting the time from monetization. So we'll see what happens. I have not gotten my first check yet. Those coins are adding up. I'm about 3/4 of the way there. So, I need to get this ball rolling. So, you look at different things, look at information. I was like, well, maybe I should change my name, try to be more universal, do it now before I blow up. And once I changed my name, I started losing views, mainly. I would lose some subscribers. I've been in the 1300s for like a couple months now. It just, I'm just there. But it's okay. So I tried to change the name because, that's my slogan. I love you with that agape love. And I lost views. People couldn't find me. People were saying, I'm looking for you, but I can't find you. So I talked to a couple people and I took a poll on my community tab. And then, the millennials, that's who you go to, because the millennials are the kings and queens of social media. So they explained something very important to me. My YouTube channel was Pastor Kim's Corner. My Facebook channel was Pastor Kim. And Vision of Hope Ministries, which is my church. And then my Instagram was Pastor Kim or Pastor Kimmy. So they were like, look, you need to make all of these. No, my Twitter is Pastor Kimmy. They were like, you have to make everything the same, or as close to the same as possible. When people look for you, they're going to be looking for the same name. They're not going to be looking for, one name over here and another name over there. They're going to be looking for whoever you are. So I love the name Agape Love. I love my banner. I love the logo that I created. So I just recreated everything, just sort of improvised. And then one thing that was pointed out to me that was kind of touched me. And I'm not going to say who it is. It's a YouTuber, but she knows who she is. She was like, the one thing I got from Pastor Kim's Corner was that, you were showing, you did your preaching, you do your motivation, but you also show the human side of being a pastor. And so that's what I got from Pastor Kim's Corner. But it doesn't matter. She was like, it doesn't matter what name you say, but that's what I got from Pastor Kim's Corner, the human side of being a pastor. So I really got that. And so thank you, sis. So again, listening to people, taking a poll, listening to the millennials, I changed the channel back to the original name, Pastor Kim's Corner, because it was like the algorithm was like, who's Agape Love? So it was just, I'm just exploring, still trying to figure things out. And so, hey, don't judge me. So that's it, guys. So much for the name change. She's back. Pastor Kim's Corner is back. God bless you. Have a blessed day and a purpose-filled life. And you know what? That I love you with that agape love.